Thank you so much, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It is afternoon. Yesterday we had the pleasure of raising the Nigerian flag up on the podium, and I welcomed everybody that was here, and we celebrated Nigeria. Today, we're here asking the Nigerian government to stop the injustice that it's doing to the people of the former Biafra, what is called Biafra today. What is happening there is totally unacceptable. What is happening by the central government has to stop. And I think we should all rise up and ask our federal government to take this to the United Nations and ask the Nigerian government to stop the atrocities against its own people. These people have done nothing wrong. These people, the only thing they want is to live peacefully in Nigeria. So I join all Nigerians, as we call on the central government of Nigeria, to stop the atrocities and to make sure that the people are listened to. I have with me Councilor Mamalidi, which is a friend and a colleague, and I believe that some of you might be residing in this part of the world.
Yes, they do.
And I'll pass the mic on to him. So, to all of you, thank you for coming. Thank you for being a wonderful group. Long live Nigeria. Long live Biafra. Long live Biafra. Long live the resiliency of people of Biafra and the people of Nigeria.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Councilor. I appreciate it. I'm here to, and I'm glad you're here, actually, because for us, everything is a learning process at City Hall. And unless people speak their mind, that's the wonderful thing about democracy, is you can speak your mind and tell people why it is that you're upset. And sometimes you're not upset at our local government or our provincial government, but perhaps want the federal government to do a little more for you. And it's my understanding that that's exactly why you're here today.
Yes.
So I would like to just say that after speaking to Councillor Kargianis, that you've got my support as well. And hopefully we can get to the federal government.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody. We'll be sending a letter up to the Minister of Global Affairs, External Affairs, Minister of National, whatever the new name is now. And we'll be asking that she meets with you and she listens to what you have to say. Thanks again for coming. You have yourself a wonderful afternoon and a great day. And this warm weather is because you're here.
Honorable Jim Kargianis.
To the mayor of Toronto, and we want, we know that giving it through you, we know that the mayor will always, have these letters. So on behalf of the Biafran people, we appreciate your coming to address us. We appreciate your voice to say, let, civility and let democracy reign, not only in Nigeria, but in Biafra land.
Yes.
Let genocide stop in Biafra land. And let the proscription of IPOB be stopped. Let people be allowed to, embark on civil protest of, self-determination. It's enshrined in the, United Nations Charter for self-determination.
Do I have your permission to also circulate this letter to all the councillors?
Please, you have our decision. Thank you very much.
And we'll be standing up today making a statement about this in the council.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The Biafran people appreciate your
Thank you. We love you.
Ward 7.
Because you people must recognize the sacrifice of these two gentlemen. If you live in their riding,
yes, I do.
Please remember, if you live in their riding, when it's time to elect good leaders, we've seen they are good leaders. Exactly. They are the people that stand up for your rights. They're the people that stand up with the common people.
Yes.
They don't have special interest groups at the heart of their manifestos. So what we're asking you to do is recognize them, know their name. When it's time to ask people to come in the city hall, in the city council, they are the people.
Yes.
God will bless them and God will continue to guide them.
Amen.
Thank you.
Tell us. Thank you. Okay. Fellow Biafrans, we're not dismissing